This video is about making it happen. Using our floating docks as a foundation to support the boat. One excavator supports the boat while the other removes the trailer. Super slick operation. This is how you lift a boat for a bottom job by Land or Sea Construction style. Start up the old yard machines, like 24 years old. She purrs like a kitten. We got these 1,500-pound steel workbenches all made out of half-inch plate. And you just free span that boat up on top of it. Two excavators, one to lift the boat and one to set it on top. Just finishing up the bottom job. This thing's going to be a slick machine. If y'all like this kind of content, please like and subscribe.